Long ago, the snake had legs. 4 strong, shiny legs. He was fast, he was proud, and he loved to show off. He would walk through the forest, stomping loudly. He would say, "Look at me, I am the fastest in the jungle." The other animals didn't like Snake's pride. Monkey rolled his eyes. Elephant shook his head. Even Tortoise, who was always kind, felt annoyed. But Snake didn't care. He only loved his legs and his own loud voice. One day, Snake met Lizard. Lizard was small but clever. Lizard had 4 tiny legs and ran quickly too. "Hey, Snake," said Lizard. "You're not the only one with legs." Snake laughed. "Your legs are too small." "But they still work," said Lizard in a grin. Snake didn't like that. He wanted to be the only one with legs. He made a plan to trick Lizard and maybe take something else too. That night, Snake stunk into Lizard's home. He left a big pile of rocks at the door. Then he shouted, "Help! A mountain is falling!" Lizard woke up and ran outside quickly. Snake slipped into the house and searched around. He couldn't find treasures, but he found something shiny. A bottle with golden dust inside. The bottle had a label, "Speed and power. Use wisely." Snake didn't read it all. He just opened it and drank. Suddenly, his legs started to shake. They grew longer, then shorter, then longer again. Snake felt dizzy. The forest spun in circles. Then his legs disappeared. All 4 of them. Snake screamed, "My legs! Where are my legs?" He rolled on the ground like a stick. Lizard came back and gasped, "Snake, what happened to you?" Snake cried and cried. "I drank something from your bottle," he shouted. Lizard looked at the bottle. "You silly snake," he said. "This bottle wasn't for drinking. It was for magic shoes." Snake blinked. "Magic shoes?" "Yes," Lizard said. "The golden dust makes shoes faster, not legs." Snake groaned. He tried to stand, but only wiggled. He tried to walk, but only slid. "I don't want to slither," he yelled. The birds came to see the noise. Monkey, elephant, and tortoise arrived too. They saw the legless snake on the ground. Monkey laughed. "Where did your legs go?" "Gone," said Snake sadly. Tortoise nodded. "That's what pride does. It takes, not gives." Snake looked down. He felt small. He had made fun of others. He had played tricks and stolen. And now he had no legs. The forest animals whispered. Some felt sorry for him. Others just walked away. But Snake's best friend, Frog, came closer. "Don't worry," said Frog. "You can still move." "How?" Snake asked. "I have no legs." "Slide, slither, dance with your belly," said Frog. "Watch me." Frog showed him how to move without legs. Snake tried, and it worked. Snake moved slowly at first. He slid over leaves and rocks. He twisted around trees and logs. It felt strange, but it worked. Soon, Snake was moving faster. He began to enjoy the quiet way he traveled. No more stomping, no more noise, just smooth, secret slithers. "I may not walk," said Snake, "but I still move well." And that made him smile a little. Over time, Snake stopped showing off. He became wiser and quieter. He helped animals in small, gentle ways. He listened more and talked less. The forest began to like him again. Even Monkey gave him a banana once. Snake never got his legs back, but he got something better: friends, and a new way to live. One that was peaceful, calm, and kind. Today, when you see the snake slithering, remember this: he once had legs, but he lost them through pride. Now he moves close to the ground, silent and smooth. He watches and listens more than he speaks. He learned that legs are not everything. Sometimes, losing something helps you grow. And being kind is better than being fast. That's why the snake has no legs, and why he will never lose his no way. He found a better path in the end. Moral of the story: pride can take away what you love, but humility can help you grow in new, surprising ways.